How is he doing in there? Oh, good, you made it. Some of us were worried you were lost in the storm. He's doing okay, still slow progress.
Glad you made it. Why didn't you check in?
Radio isn't working. I think the storm is too thick.
I almost had the security team look for you.
I think I know what we have here, and you guys are going to love it. The atomic weight is identical to platinum. We may have found it. You don't mean the wreck, do you? That's exactly what I mean. The wreck of ours containing the molecularly modified crystalline platinum. That's great, but how are we going to follow the trail to it? The pattern where these are found seems to be random. That's a question for the geographical expert, not me.
Guys, help! Team 3, we have a problem. Do a perimeter sweep and check it out. Roger, we heard something out here. We'll check it out. We have a broken oxygen filter and get this. Blood. However, there's nothing else. Any footprints are getting covered by the snow too quickly. All teams, we have an unknown breach. Code red. Stay behind me. I can't see 2 feet in front of me. I know. RPG! This is Delta 1. We have an RPG hit on comms. This is Charlie 1. We are in heavy contact with Mega Block forces. All teams, report in. All teams, report. Stay down. Objective secure. I see nothing. Pilot, take us down now. First set, taking off. My fellow countrymen, yesterday a civilian research enterprise investigating the disappearance of one of their research ships fell under attack from hostile Mega Block forces. Every single person involved perished in the attack, representing a brutal act of war. 5 hours after the attack, the federal government received a declaration of war from the Mega Blocks. Due to this unfortunate event, several fleets are diverging from their usual routine to assist with defense and attack.